Hey my pretty girls, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just installing this T-part wig that I ordered off Amazon. I'm gonna be honest, you will see it in my face. I was not feeling it. It was too short. The knots was pretty thick, but I did finesse it. I made it work. You will see at the end. And also I didn't have no lashes on or nothing, so I was just like but at the end I will put a clip of me all put together with the hair. It did turn out being good. So yeah, and also please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.